Are you tired of missing key points in your meetings or scrambling to remember action items? MeetGeek AI is here to transform the way you manage your meetings. I'll walk you through this powerful tool, share key tips and show you why it's a game changer for productivity. It's like Zoom, Microsoft Teams or Google Meet, but with the added functionality that's designed to supercharge your meetings. It creates a bot that joins your meetings, records them, transcribes the discussions and even analyzes them for actionable insights. Let me show you a step-by-step how to get started. First, head over to MeetGeek AI and create an account. They offer a free version with limited features, but for advanced tools like action items and analytics, you want to consider their paid plan. Integrate Meet AI with your meeting platform, whether it's Zoom, Google Meet or Microsoft Teams. The integration allows the bot to join your meetings seamlessly. During the meetings, the MeetGeek bot will record the session and transcribe everything in real time. The transcription is timestamped, making it easy to follow along or revisit later. You can access them directly from the MeetGeek dashboard after the meeting ends. Where MeetGeek really shines. It doesn't just transcribe, it analyzes. It identifies action items, tasks that require follow-up, concerns, points of confusion, or issues raised during the meeting, and key statements that are important moments to note. To make the most out of it, be clear in meetings. The better you articulate the tasks, the more accurate the AI's insights. Address flag concerns or action items soon after the meeting. And adjust MeetGeek's sensitivity to capture what's most relevant to you. AI occasionally mislabels statements. To avoid this, clarify tasks and decisions during meetings, and regularly update the bot's training by providing feedback. The free version is great for basic transcription, but the paid version unlocks advanced analytics, action items and more. It's like a personal assistant in every meeting. From recording and transcription to actionable insights, it ensures nothing gets overlooked.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our tutorials. See you next time.